Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Roblox and joining Brookhaven with a basic avatar. This reduces variables. Once in the lobby, make sure you have a simple face accessory equipped or the face slot cleared, because the method swaps or hides that slot. You should also disable any custom emotes or animations so they don't override the effect. Doing this first minimizes glitches. Move to a quiet area in-game and prepare to trigger the no-face state using the specific in-game actions I'll outline next. Now you perform the core steps. Go into a private house or low population area so changes persist. Next, open your avatar menu and rapidly equip then unequip or replace the face slot 3 to 5 times. The timing matters because Brookhaven syncs appearance on each change. Once done, immediately use a crouch or sit action to force a refresh. This often causes the engine to render the character without the face texture. If it doesn't work, repeat the quick swap sequence with slightly different timing. To finalize, you should relog or switch to another server to lock in the no-face look. This forces a full avatar reload. Make sure to save any accessory changes before leaving. If the face returns, repeat the rapid swap sequence with small timing adjustments or try different simple accessories. The server tick rate can affect success. Also check your avatar editor and any Roblox plugins for conflicting assets. One key troubleshooting tip: clear cache and try on a different device if the effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.